Hello kids, welcome to today's study class. Today we learn how to color in pineapple. Let's learn some colors. This is blue color, yellow color, orange color and this one is green color. Now we learn how to draw and how to color in our pineapple. Start with green color. Today we use multicolors in our pineapple. So kids, our pineapple is ready. Let's revise. Today we use orange and green color. So kids, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye.